Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVCN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what played out here. I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook from theory to reality. Like I said, when levels are broken, you want to see them act as support. And 4 cents was broken as resistance. And then you look right here, and several times throughout the day, the price tried to break down through that level. But to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong at 4 cents. So yeah, as it stands right now, 4 cents definitely confirmed as that area of support. And that would be the ideal level. I mean, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can continue to hold above 4 cents. Don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 4 cents, I'm not saying it's the end of the world or anything like that, because at that point, you still have the overall level of support, which I talked about a couple days ago, and that's via this green line down here at 0.038. So 0.04, sure, that's definitely the preferable area, but it's not like the do or die or must hold level or anything like that, because you still do have 0.038. Down there is that overall level of support. As far as levels of resistance, still have 0.041 right here. But what I'm going to actually do is adjust this up now that we have more data. It seems as though kind of the more so accurate level of sellers is up here at 0.042. But with that adjustment, I realize you're saying, Clay, you just adjusted a line. But it's always good when resistance adjustments are going in the upwards direction. It's not good if a resistance adjustment is going down. But in this case, hey, I adjusted the resistance up. And that's always good when resistance levels need to be adjusted up and up and up. So that, that's bullish in and of itself. When you get more data, then after you have more data, like, oh, I should probably move that. If you find yourself moving resistance levels in the, northern direction, that's a good sign for the bulls. So we'll see what happens with it. But 0.042, key level of resistance going forward, but always good when resistances are being converted to supports like it was today. So let's see if the bulls can keep on building or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.